If you are new to the world of data analytics, we're here to help you understand what SkySpark is all about. In this short video, we'd like to introduce you to the SkySpark technology to help you understand what it is and what it can be used for, just because we're nice like that. So let's start with the fact that SkySpark is an open platform, which sounds great, but what does this actually mean? Well, SkySpark is a huge web application which typically runs from a server or cloud space. It is open so that you can connect virtually anything to SkySpark, including measurement devices, software and web applications, and websites. For example, think of using information directly from gas and energy companies. This is what makes SkySpark a unique data platform, as it's incredibly customizable as an open platform. Although SkySpark is designed to manage building data, it can be used in almost any environment. So for example, an aquarium could use it to monitor the water quality and temperature of their tanks. The idea of using SkySpark is easy when you think of monitoring a simple environment like a meeting room. The complexity comes when you're looking at, say, all of the data in all of the rooms, in all of the floors, in all of the buildings of a hospital campus. This is why SkySpark is a powerful data engine to process all of this big data and requires such a large technology stack to connect it all. Also, to install and set up SkySpark, it requires a range of technical skills and knowledge, so it's not quite as easy to pick up as, say, Microsoft Office. So that was a quick introduction to the SkySpark platform and a look at what it can do. Visit our site today to find out more, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.